Hey, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration. We're going to have a quick look around at what we're working on. Starting with a 1968 Porsche 912 Targa, soft window, a little bit more of a rare one. We're doing some work on the headliner on this car. There's little clips that are called 10X clips that need to be replaced, among a couple other things. Next, a fire-breathing 2023 Nissan GTR. This car is getting all Japanese market front clip, fender hood, air dam, and that's all being painted to match. So we've done an exact paint match for that black metallic and moving forward with painting those in the paint booth. Here we see the panels in the paint booth, hood, front air dam, and front fenders. Next up, 1971 Mercedes Benz 280 SL complete restoration. We just finished a very thorough video on this, so have a look at that as well. On the other side of the shop, we're having a look at our 1973 Maserati Bora. Beautiful Italian supercar. We've been doing an assortment of things on this, but mostly mechanical. Bit of a complex engine, and our guys are sorting it out nicely. This is a Porsche 911 Safari with customized suspension and off-road tires, skid plates, lots of lights, cool roof-mounted spare tire, heavily tuned engine, great interior, just simply incredible. Some people love them, some people hate them. I happen to love them. That's about it for our shop tour. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to like and subscribe and check us out at farlandcars.com or Farland Classic Restoration. Thanks and see you later.